What's going on, everybody? Gonna make a quick video, pretty interesting little story. It's gonna be a short video, but this is a maple log, and the story behind this log is a friend of mine who turkey hunts with us out in Oklahoma some. He had to leave early one year to go home because of a storm coming through in Illinois, and he got home in time. A tree fell on his house with a large limb hitting it, doing a little bit of damage, not catastrophic. Thankfully nobody was hurt, but this is part of that tree. This is a piece of the limb, and the interesting part of this is that his grandmother planted this maple tree, and so he brought a piece of this, wanted to get it milled up so they can make some charcuterie boards out of it. So we're gonna cut it about 1.25 inches and just slab it out 1.25 inches, and that way they can have room to plane it down. I believe his nephew's gonna make some charcuterie boards, but just be able to take a little bit off and get it planed down, and then it'll be about an inch thick. So yeah, just hang tight. It's a pretty interesting little story. It's gonna be a quick video. Another thing is, on this log is it's too short for our dogs. The dogs are about 40 inches apart. This log is at 31 inches. And so we've got to rig it up a little bit with this 2x8 back here. We'll be bracing the log against the 2x8, which will again be braced by the dogs. And that way it will allow us to lock it in there. Otherwise it would fall off. Wouldn't be a good cut. But anyway, hang in there and I'll show you the final product. We'll cut it up, show you some of the final. It's got a little bit of a crotch in it, so should look pretty cool, but hang in there.
Didn't turn the fuel on.
You gotta turn the gas on.
That helps.
Ugh. So there we go. We got 5, 6 boards cut out of it. We're gonna put a little water on it and just see what it looks like. It's gonna make that color pop. That looks good. Got some good, get the shadow out of it. It's got some good figure in it. That one right there looks really good. And that one have the most figure. So yeah, maple will be charcuterie boards at some point, but the history behind this log is pretty cool. The guy's grandmother planted the tree and then it fell on his house, and he'll get a charcuterie board out of it. Anyway, hope you liked the video. If you like it, thumbs up, give it a thumbs up. If you got a suggestion or comment or anything, go ahead and leave that in the comments section. And as always, we appreciate you watching, and thanks to our veterans and public safety folks out there, law enforcement. Stay safe.